Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AYTU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the orange and green line annotations are coming from. And a brutal day for a couple reasons. First off, it was just simply a gap and trap. Now, if you're not familiar with what that is, if you're newer, so on Wednesday, the price closed right there. And then today the price opened right there. So hence the gap, and because it gapped up higher, this is known as a gap up. But problem is, after the market opened up, some poor souls bought up here, and then it was just all sellers the remainder of the day, and down it went. And the other part that made this such a rough day is it had actually gotten the break of the trend line, and things were looking great. It was a trend line breakout, and then that 30-minute period hit it right there, and you can see the price just totally flushed down below that resistance line. So from that angle, just a rough day overall. And, this has played its role for now. And in the spirit of just trying to keep this as simple as possible, headed into Friday, really there's two main technical levels to now keep an eye on. The first level from the resistance side of things is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And there's nothing fancy behind this other than the foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. And that level was, an area of support, but with it being broken now, that is, like I said, going to be more so the overarching level of resistance with any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside. That current value is at $1.53. And then on the flip side of things, as far as just the overall levels of support are concerned, it's all about that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous, very well-known 200-period moving average, and that's currently valued at $1.06. So $1.50 level of resistance, $1.53, $1.06 key level of support. And other than that, it's just pretty much a wait and see what happens. Today, like I said, I get it. I'm stating the obvious. Rough day, gap and trap. But now we'll see if the price can recover up, and get above that 50-period moving average, or if there's more bearishness to come, which would be, defined as breaking down below that 200-period moving average. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.